Good morning students. In this video, I will continue line-wise explanation of the chapter A Long Walk to Freedom. This is the last portion of the chapter. But then I slowly saw that not only was I not free, but my brothers and sisters were not free. When Nelson Mandela became man of war, he got married, he had family, then he found that not only he was not free, but the people of his whole community were not free. I saw that it was not just my freedom that was curtailed, but the freedom of everyone who looked like I did. That is when I joined the African National Congress, and that is when the hunger for my own freedom became greater hunger for freedom of my people. Nelson Mandela want to say that when he found the people of his whole community not free, then he decided to start a struggle against the apartheid system for the democracy, and he joined the African National Congress. This was a party that was fighting for the freedom of the black people, for the establishment of the democracy in South Africa. Then hunger for freedom became very strong in his heart for his people. It was this desire for freedom of my people to live their lives with dignity and self-respect that animated my life. Nelson Mandela want to say here that the desire for freedom that had changed his life. He wished that the people of his community must also live in society with respect and dignity. First, many changes came in the life of Mandela due to hunger for freedom. First, that transformed a frightened means fearful, young man into a bold one. That drove a law-abiding attorney means liar, to become a criminal. That turned a family-loving husband into a man without home. That forced a life-loving man to live like a monk. In this extract, Nelson Mandela want to describe what changes came in the life of Mandela due to hunger for freedom when he started a struggle against the apartheid system. First, he was a frightened, fearful young man, but when he started a struggle against the apartheid system, he was turned into a bold one. First, he was a law-abiding lawyer, but when he joined the ANC and declared a freedom fighter, he became a criminal according to white people. And first, he was a family-loving husband, and when he joined the ANC and he started a struggle against the apartheid system, he was compelled to lead a life without home. And first, he was a life-loving man, but when he joined the ANC and started a struggle against the apartheid system, he was compelled to live like a monk without luxuries and pleasures. He had to spend most of his time in hiding places. I am no more virtuous or self-sacrificing than the next man, but I found that I could not even enjoy the poor and limited freedom I was allowed when I knew my people were not free. Freedom is individual, and the chains on any one of my people were the chains on all of them. The chains on all of my people were chains on me. Nelson Mandela want to say that he was not a very self-sacrificing person, that he want to sacrifice all his luxuries and pleasures, but he loved the freedom of his all people. When he found that he was not free, his family was not free, his whole black people were not free, then he decided to start a struggle against the apartheid system for the freedom of the black people, because at any rate he did not want to accept a limited freedom.